Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make YouTube Shorts using Canva and ChatGPT. You'll learn how to create simple but highly engaging short videos that people love to watch and interact with. This method focuses on using ready-made templates, smart animations, and AI-generated ideas to turn basic concepts into eye-catching YouTube Shorts that can reach a wide audience. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from setting everything up in Canva to using ChatGPT for content ideas and text. You'll see how these tools work together to help you create shorts that keep viewers watching until the end and encourage more engagement. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Canva and ChatGPT to consistently create high-quality YouTube Shorts using AI. Over the past few months, YouTube has seen a big increase in creators posting simple but engaging short-form videos like these. Many of them are gaining subscribers quickly and becoming eligible for monetization. The trend is growing fast, and creators who start early are benefiting the most. These YouTube Shorts follow a very simple concept. Most of them are this or that style games where viewers choose between two options. It's a fun and interactive way for couples or friends to test how well they know each other. This matters because YouTube now rewards engaging short-form content that keeps people watching. If your short performs well, it can be pushed to millions of viewers through the Shorts feed. If you are looking for a new way to make money with Canva and AI, this is one of the easiest and most exciting methods right now. Now let me show you how to create these viral YouTube Shorts using pre-made Canva templates. Start by opening Canva and searching for this or that templates. Most of the templates you'll find are static images and not videos, but that doesn't matter. Choose one that is in a mobile video format. Now, create your first game question slide. You can come up with your own this or that questions or ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for you. Simply describe the video concept to ChatGPT and it will provide you with multiple question ideas. For example, one idea could be winter versus summer. Take that idea and modify the template. Change the title text to match your question, then update the middle text boxes with the two options. Next, replace the template images. Search for an aesthetic photo of a woman on a beach, then drag and drop it onto the top image. Now, search for a photo of a woman in a snowy setting and drag it onto the bottom image. This instantly transforms the static template into your custom slide. To make the slide visually appealing, change the background by searching for a fun pink background and selecting one from Canva's built-in graphics. Right-click and replace the background with your selection. If the title text becomes hard to read, adjust the color to a fun blue and apply the shadow effect. Also, update the middle text bubbles and lines to match the new color scheme. Once done, delete any unnecessary text boxes. At this point, you have a complete question slide, but it's still static. To add animations, click on the page, then select Animate and click on Magic Animate. Canva's AI will analyze your slide and automatically apply the best animations. Choose a style that fits your video, like the elegant option. Reduce the slide duration from 5 seconds to 3 seconds for a faster-paced effect. Now, your question slide is animated and ready to go. The next step is to add a countdown timer to engage viewers. Canva does not have built-in countdown timers, but you can easily create one yourself. Start by duplicating the animated question slide. Turn off all animations and shorten the slide duration to 1 second. Delete the middle text bubbles and images, then add a circular shape in the center. Search for a 3-second countdown timer image and place it inside the circle. Duplicate this slide, replace the 3-second image with a 2-second countdown image, and repeat the process for the 1-second countdown. Set the final countdown slide duration to 2 seconds and add an exit animation. When played back, the countdown will appear as if it's ticking down in real time. To maximize engagement, add at least 8 question slides to your video. Next, include a hook at the beginning. Viral TikTok videos often include an engaging introduction with a challenge or consequence for wrong answers. Create a new slide and move it to the start of the video timeline. Replace the background with a fun design, then add a title that asks a question, like, "How well do you know your girlfriend?" Apply the rise animation effect to the text. Duplicate the slide and modify the text to include a consequence, such as, "If you get more than 2 wrong, you have to buy dinner." Animate this text to appear only on entry. Add a photo of a couple at a romantic dinner and set it to animate on both entry and exit. When played back, the introduction will grab attention and keep viewers engaged. If you need more creative consequences, use ChatGPT to generate ideas. Describe the game scenario and ask for fun challenges. ChatGPT's free version works well for this purpose, so there's no need for a paid subscription. Now, add an AI-generated voiceover to the text slides. Click on Apps in Canva, then type in AI voiceover and select the app. Enter your slides text and choose a voice. If your video is aimed at boyfriends, use a male voice. If it's aimed at girlfriends, the Maya voice is a popular choice. Select conversation style and click Generate. Drag the voiceover to the corresponding slide in the video timeline. Note that only the first 400 characters of AI voiceover are free, but $10 allows you to generate up to 15,000 characters, which covers about 100 videos. Alternatively, use a free external AI voice generator like MicMonster for short voice clips and upload them separately. To enhance the video, add free sound effects. A ticking sound effect makes countdown timers more engaging. Click Audio in Canva and search for beep. Select a sound effect and place it at the start of each countdown slide. Do not add music in Canva. Instead, when uploading your short to YouTube, select music directly from YouTube's audio library or rely on the short's natural pacing. Once everything is ready, export the video in high quality. Click Share, then Download, select MP4 format, and set the resolution to 1080p. Download the video, and after processing, you'll have a fully optimized YouTube short. It includes a strong hook, animated slides, countdown timers, AI voiceover, and engaging visuals. To work faster and increase earnings, create an editable template. This allows you to quickly produce new YouTube shorts by swapping out text, images, and voiceovers without redoing animations or sound effects. Since the introduction stays mostly the same, you can reuse parts of the voiceover and save time. With this approach, you can create multiple monetized YouTube shorts in just a few minutes. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly share something important with you. What you learned in this video is a great way to create YouTube shorts using Canva and ChatGPT, and it's an excellent starting point. However, there's another method I use that goes even further and doesn't rely on constantly creating videos or staying tied to one platform. This method shows how complete beginners are using free AI tools like ChatGPT together with social media to build income streams that work even when they're not actively working. Unlike methods that depend on uploading content every day, this approach is more scalable and doesn't feel like a job. Most people never hear about it, which is why 99% of people are still missing out on it. If you want to learn this smarter and more sustainable way of making money online, I've put together a free training that explains everything step by step. Click the link in the description and watch the free video to learn more.